Finance News weekly technical forecast for cryptocurrencies. Are more lows ahead? As the first week of November concludes, the cryptocurrency market has maintained a steady bearish bias over recent trading sessions. This has caused most major crypto assets to show indecisive movements, preventing the formation of clear short-term trends. For now, selling pressure remains the dominant force driving much of the market's action. A cautious sentiment and lack of interest among investors persist, which could continue to weigh on the market and keep weakness intact in the short term if bearish momentum holds. Solana, SOL, remains the worst-performing cryptocurrency of the week, with a decline of minus 16.85%, making it the weakest among major assets over recent sessions. In contrast, and as the benchmark for the crypto market, Bitcoin, BTC, has posted the smallest drop among its peers, down minus 7.76%, showing relative stability amid the ongoing bearish streak. Over the past 10 weeks, all major cryptocurrencies have maintained a dominant bearish bias, reflecting a persistent pattern of structural weakness. Cardano, ADA, continues to be the most affected, with a minus 35.43% loss, while Bitcoin, BTC, has held up better, with a minus 6.38% decline. On a year-to-date basis, Bitcoin remains the best-performing cryptocurrency of 2025, posting a 7.71% gain, while Dogecoin, Doge, has shown no signs of recovery, with a minus 49.51% loss, representing nearly half its value erased since the start of the year. Meanwhile, Bitcoin has attempted to maintain rebound movements around the $111,000 level, but has also dipped below the $100,000 mark, which acts as the key psychological zone for the cryptocurrency. Overall, the market continues to face persistent downward pressure, with Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies posting 3 consecutive losing sessions, reinforcing the bearish bias as the dominant trend. Since the beginning of the current bearish cycle, most major cryptocurrencies have maintained a significant positive correlation with Bitcoin. At present, most show a correlation coefficient above 0.8, with only Litecoin, LTC, slightly below at 0.752. This demonstrates that market weakness is not isolated to Bitcoin, but rather extends across the broader crypto market, as most assets experience similar depreciation patterns. As Bitcoin continues to struggle with a lack of confidence, the rest of the market tends to mirror its behavior, consolidating a broad-based bearish bias and a persistent environment of distrust. If the leading cryptocurrency fails to regain lost confidence in the coming weeks, other assets are likely to follow suit, maintaining consistent declines and keeping selling pressure as a key driver in the short term. It's worth noting that these correlation coefficients may vary over time and adjust as new market information becomes available.